they've done about an hour. I'm dropping them down because a lot of them are on their last flight feather of molting, and they're only like a centimetre grown. Some are like just probably 2 centimetres. So get them coming down. Got the higher ones, they're gonna come down eventually. And one of the saddles is actually flying as well. One of the big ones. So that's very good. Got a couple of tipplers out there flying. Yeah, doing right, I guess. Those higher ones probably come down in another hour. I'm trying to get them to learn with just a fantail dropper now to come down, just with one bird. Just way better. Soon there, I don't know if I can catch anything there. Still like more ones, but what about those ones? They're coming down now though, it's good. Slowly, they're like a bit above midway. But yeah, it's going to be a very nice group. This little one's going to come down. That could be the saddle. Right there. It's doing alright. We've got a couple of times flying.